it is a new workout. You are tuned in to NIXOLITION, the Fit Coalition. And I am Nicole Chaplin. And today we are going to target the 3 B's. The biceps, the booty or the buttocks, as well as the belly. We're going to do some simple exercises. And like I always say, I know time is so crucial. So we're going to get to it nice, fast, and efficiently, and have a great time while we're doing it. So the first thing we're going to do is warm up with these ski movements. Here we go. We want to warm up our muscles before we get into the exercise, and we're going to start with ski motion. You're going to take one leg forward, bring the other one back, and lean down, and then hop. Down, hop. That's 2. That's 3. That's 4. Let's go. 5. Get that chest up. 6. 7. 8. 2 more. 9. 1 more. And 10. Yes. Catch your breath. We're going to do it for one more round. Same exact thing. Ski motion. Right, left, right, left. 3, 2, 1. Let's do it. 1. 2. Keep that chest up. 4. 5. 6. Woo! Look at it. Booty. Last one. There you go. Catch your breath. We're gonna go into our biceps. This is a real simple resistance band. It comes with interchangeable handles that you can also put around your ankles. But we're gonna use some handles for the hands right now. So we're gonna go straight to the top. Here we go. Because you're using a resistance band, there's always tension in the motion. A little bit different than using our traditional dumbbells. Just as effective. 3, 2, 1. Woo! 10-second rest. Remember, if you need more rest, take it. It is not a problem. I don't have a problem with it. Just make sure you rest so you can be efficient on that next set. All right? 3, 2, 1. Same thing. Here we go. Yes. Exhale. Let's do it. Woo! Three more. 3, 2, and 1. Beautiful. So now we're gonna put the resistance bands away, and we're gonna go into our booty exercise, the glutes, right? Our glutes going into a bridge position. This is how you know if you're right. Your shoulders over your elbows over your wrists. Arms are shoulder width apart. You're on your knees. You're gonna take one leg, put it like a table, and then push straight up to the ceiling. 1, 2, there you go. 3, try not to let the leg fall. Keep it parallel. 4, your quad. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Let's switch. Same thing. Bridge. And go. Woo! Yes. Back to the beginning, same thing. 3, 2, 1, let's do it. Yes. There you go. Last one. 3, 2, 1, let's do it. 1, 2, yes. Get that curvature. Nice. So now we're gonna go into our push-ups. Remember, you have 2 versions. The full-out push-up or on your knees. I'm gonna do the first set on my knees, and then the second set I'm gonna do full-out. All right. Your back is not bending. It's not arched, it's straight. Feet are down, knees are down. 3, 2, 1, let's go. Touch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Say that I'm doing these and you feel like I'm going too fast, and we'll slow it down. You can take a 2-second break at the bottom, so let's do it like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That's your 10 push-ups. Now, while we're resting, I want you to think about while you're exercising, why are you exercising? What is your goal? Keep your goals in your head. Visualize them. Make sure that you're giving your best on every single rep. We're not doing this just to look good. We're doing this to feel good, to give our best version of ourselves to other people, especially those that we love. All right, second set, 10. As promised, I'm gonna do them full out. And if you're not doing them full out, it's okay, but I want you to work towards it. All right, 3, 2, 1, it's showtime. 1, 2, 3, let's do it. 4, 5 more. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes. Ooh, we are pushing through these exercises, doing them with a positive attitude. That is the goal. And now we are going to go into our belly exercises, which is the classic sit-up. All right? Hands behind your back. And if this is too much for you, it's okay. You can bring your knees up and do it this way. But I'm going to extend my legs and my arms. Knees straight up. 3, 2, 1. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. All right. I always like to show you modifications, right? That way you can't say you're not able to do them. I want to be fair. I want us to get to this work. Work, 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 work. Knees up. Hands behind your head. Abs nice and tight. We're going to do a crunch, or you're going to go up as high as possible into that same sit-up position. 3, 2, 1, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Say that's still too challenging, then keep your legs down and just do a crunch. 8, 9, and 10. For our second round, I'm going to keep my knees up, and instead of the full sit-up, we're going to do a crunch for a set of 10, all right? Knees up. That's going to make sure that our back stays flat. Hands behind our ears. 3, 2, 1. Let's have fun. Here we go. 1. We're doing exactly what we need to do to make sure that we have the body and the mindset that we all desire. And that comes with work. Let's do 3 more. 3, 2, 1, and done. Yes, 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 yes. And there you have it, the 3B workout, targeting the biceps, the booty, as well as the belly. We did it. I'm so thankful for you guys tuning in. Make sure that you subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once again, you are watching NIXOLITION, the Fit Coalition, with your girl, Nicole Chaplin. See y'all.